Hi guys, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is how to download and install Xampp server for Windows. What we discuss on today, how to download and install Xampp server for Windows. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials from the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I am going to topic. What we discuss on today, how to download and install Xampp server for Windows operating system. I am going to Google Chrome browser, Xampp download for Windows. Click on the first link or pulseforget.in. These two are the best. Here I am download the 7th version of PHP. Here first one is the Windows OS and second one is the Linux OS and third one is the Mac OS for Apple users. Second one is the Linux. First one is the Windows operating systems. Here I am downloading the 7th version of Xampp for 64-bit. I am click on this. Yeah, it take a 2 minutes of time for downloading. It takes 1 minute or 2 minutes of time. Please be patient. Okay, downloaded. Show in folder. Here, this is the my downloads folder. Copy, copy and cut. I am going to local disk C. Here, paste. Continue. Okay. Double click on. Oh, sorry. Double click on software. Yeah, it will be started. Yes, click on yes. Okay. Next, click on next. Next. Yeah, here it will be a folder will be created on C drive and Xampp folder. Installing the packages. Okay, finish. It will be completed. Next, here in C folder, Xampp folder is created. After Xampp, going to htdocs folder, and next here you can create the new folder like your name. Okay, here I am create the folder. Folder name is Maulali. Here I am save the PHP files. I am open my editor brackets. This is the basic syntax of PHP. Okay, next here I am write the echo. Installation of Xampp server in Windows. Okay, end with semicolon and next is save this file. Here local disk C, Xampp folder, next htdocs folder, next modally folder. Okay, next here I am say the sample dot extension is a PHP. Extension is the dot PHP. Here I am create the file name is sample dot PHP. Okay, save. Next, how to compile this file. Next, start the Xampp control panel. Start Apache and MySQL. Okay, you can next minimize the Xampp control panel. Next, go to Google Chrome browser. Next, type localhost. Localhost. After localhost, your folder name. Here, localhost is the server, Xampp server. Here, localhost is the Xampp server. Next, next write the your folder name. My folder name is Molali. In the folder, sample.php is the only one file. Here, this is the output. This is the installation of Xampp server in Windows. Yeah, okay, this is the installation of Xampp server in Windows. So guys, this is the process of installation Xampp server for Windows operating systems. I hope we all understand how to download and how to install Xampp server in Windows OS. If we have any doubts or queries, please mention them below. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.